Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you LITQual Level 2 Diploma in Plant Maintenance, Construction. The aim of this qualification is to recognize the knowledge, skills, and competence demonstrated by an individual in the workplace. This Level 2 Diploma in Plant Maintenance provides the opportunity for individuals who specialize in the maintenance and repair of construction plant and equipment to demonstrate their competence. This qualification has been accredited onto the Regulated Qualifications Framework, RQF, and it provides a progression route to discipline-related qualifications in the construction sector. Admission open. For registration, call us on 92-321-5056-755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999-937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk.